Imagine standing in front of the pyramids of Giza, the Colosseum, Machu Picchu, giant stone marvels towering for thousands of years. So how did ancient civilizations pull this off? How did they build structures that seem to laugh at gravity without modern tech? First, let's debunk myths. People whisper about aliens or lost super-advanced civilizations. The truth? Real people solving big problems with clever, practical solutions. Take Roman concrete. Modern concrete fails in decades. Roman concrete lasts millennia. Their secret? Volcanic ash that helped the mix heal cracks. Engineers today still study Roman concrete. Imagine if your driveway could do that. It wasn't brute force, it was knowing the rock. Think Egyptians and Incas. They moved stones as big as houses, without iron tools or wheels. They quarried shaped, fitted stones so tight you can't slip paper between them. How to split it and using tools. Copper chisels, sand for abrasion. Ingenuity. The Incas built interlocking stones, giant 3D puzzle pieces. During quakes, the stones wiggle and settle instead of falling. Flexibility mattered. The Romans used arches, domes, vaults. They distributed weight outward and downward so gravity helps not hurts. That's why the Pantheon's dome still stands, the largest unreinforced concrete dome. Don't forget the human element. Tens of thousands organized to haul blocks, mix mortar-fit stones. Projects lasted decades or centuries. Logistics and knowledge transfer were essential. Some techniques are lost, but their impact remains. Simple machines, ramps, levers, pulleys. Combine them with coordination and you can move mountains. What modern engineering can learn: earthquake-resistant designs. Ancient joinery engineers today still study Roman concrete. Next time you see a crumbling modern building, remember, the secrets to defying gravity might be buried in the past. If you can, visit these ancient sites. Walk around, look up, and marvel at human innovation. Proof creativity makes the impossible possible.